Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Till now we have seen how to implement section access on a row level. Today we will learn how to implement section access on column level. We have a keyword omit which we can use in a section access to implement section access on column level. To make our job easy, I have created a simple application showing sales and cost information script. You can see from here we have order information by product, category, customer, country, supplier, employee. I have also created year, month and order month here fields. At the front end you can see we have three KPIs: sales, cost and profit. There is one bar chart which is displaying based on the selections which we can do from the left hand side. Sales, cost and profit is the measure, and the dimension you can select from here. So say I want to show profit by country, I have to select profit from here and country from here. Say I want to see by customer what is the sales. Now consider that this dashboard is being used by from top level to the bottom level people. So say this dashboard is also being used by CEO, director, managers and sales people as well. So our objective is to hide cost and profit information from people who are directly associated with sales. How to do that? Let's see. Before moving ahead, I want to show you how different user can see this dashboard. And this application is being accessed by Click Admin, user 10, user 11 and user 12. I have also logged in using user 10, user 11 and user 12, and at this stage everyone is having access of everything. So user 10 will also see, same as admin, user 11 will see also everything and user 12 will see everything. Now let's implement column level section access. To do that I will use the keyword omit and see user 10 will not able to see cost information, user 11 profit and user 12 again cost. I will reload the data. I will publish the application and we'll see what admin can see. Admin can still see everything, but now user 10 will not able to see any information related to cost. So if I will select cost here, you can see that cost related information is 0 now for user 10. For user 11 we have omitted profit column, so user 11 will not able to see profit data, and same for user 12. User 12 will not able to see cost information. In a real world, if you want to hide profit, you need to hide profit and cost both. So now we will hide cost and profit both from user 10, 11 and 12. So here I will mention profit, same I will mention here and same I will mention here. We learned one of our previous video that we can use subfill function here and we can separate out all these fields which we want to hide. I will reload the application and then I will publish the application. And now let's see what user admin can see. Admin can still see everything because we haven't hide anything. But user 10, user 11 and user 12 cannot see any information related to cost and profit. This is how we can hide column for respective users in section access. That's all for today. Thank you.